Hey guys, this is D-Money-Bala. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be learning about Python programming. So first things first is how do you install Python on your computer? So that's what we're going to do. As you can see, I'm here at the Python's website, python.org. To install Python on Windows, all you have to do is go to Downloads, Python 3.8 for Windows. Give that bad boy a download. Click on it, and it will open up this installer. You install it now, and I just like to do the quick settings. You hit yes, and it should install everything that you need. And it's just as easy as that. And on Linux, if you're using Linux, installing Python 3, it should come with Python 3. I've got the Linux subsystem for Windows running here. This is essentially a terminal that runs Linux. I'm pulling it up over here. So it's Ubuntu 18.04. And to make sure that your Linux has Python 3 installed, you're going to open up a terminal and type Python 3 is the command, because it uses both Python 2 and Python 3. Python 3 is what we're going to be using for this course. So you try that, and it'll tell you what version of Python you've got right there. That's 3.6. The newest right now is 3.8, so you could also download it from here, from the Python website, but Python 3.6 should be fine for you. This is how you can install Python for your Chromebook. So you're going to come down here and you're going to hit your settings button. Once you're in your settings, you're going to search Linux. If Linux shows up here, all you have to do is click turn on. That will enable the Linux on your Chromebook, and you should have Python 3 installed by default. Now, it's got to download and install, and it can take a few minutes depending on how fast your Chromebook is and your internet connection. Then, when you're in, you're going to have a terminal that you can pull up through your Finder, and you just do Python 3, hit enter, and you've got Python 3.5. And if you ever get locked out of your terminal and you need to pull it up again, just come down here to your Finder, search terminal, and that is the terminal that you can use to run Python 3. To install Python on Mac OS, you're going to come to the python.org page. You're going to hit that download Python button. It's going to start downloading. When it's done downloading, you click on it. You're going to click continue through this installer until you agree with the terms and conditions. Just keep clicking continue. You can agree with the terms, you can read them all, and then you can hit continue and install, and that will install Python 3 on your Mac. Then to verify that it worked, we're just going to go over to the terminal and run Python 3 to make sure that it actually installed. And it did. So that's how you do it on Mac. Thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks.